Hey there. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our channel. Today we have a topic that's close to every graphic designer's heart, typography. And we're diving deep into why typography matters and its transformative power in the world of design. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get started. Typography is the unsung hero of visual communication. It has the ability to amplify and enhance the message of a design in a clear and legible way. Whether it's a design primarily based on images or a text-heavy layout, typography plays a vital role. It helps differentiate sections, highlight important messages, and ensures the primary message gets across quickly and effortlessly. Our next reason why typography is so crucial in graphic design is its ability to create visual hierarchy. By strategically using different type sizes, we can guide the viewer's attention to specific elements within a design, whether it's headlines in a magazine or subheadings in a brochure. Typography helps establish a clear hierarchy and ensures the most important elements catch the eye first. Typography plays a powerful role in establishing and growing a brand's recognition. In fact, it can be so impactful that it becomes the key visual element, making a memorable impression on the viewer. Sometimes the typography itself becomes a work of art, showcasing the skills and artistic abilities of the designer. It's incredible how a well-crafted typographic design can effectively communicate the brand's message without the need for any supporting visuals. Not only does typography convey personality, but it also helps set the mood and tone of a graphic design piece. From bold and powerful fonts to minimalist and modern choices, typography visually expresses a brand's values and evokes certain emotions. It's fascinating how a simple change in font can completely transform the vibe of a design, making it essential to choose the right typography to effectively communicate the intended mood and tone. One of the most important roles of typography is to draw attention to key messages. Typography serves as an easy yet impactful method of making a word or phrase stand out in a design. Whether it's increasing the font size, changing the color, or experimenting with different fonts, typography has the power to grab the viewer's attention and emphasize crucial information within a design. Last but not least, typography plays a crucial role in enhancing user experience. Legible and well-designed typography ensures that information is easily accessible and readable, making the design overall more user-friendly. Typography choices such as line spacing, letter spacing, and font readability are all factors that contribute to a seamless user experience, making the design not only visually pleasing, but also highly functional. That's it for our deep dive into the world of typography. We hope you learned a thing or two about the importance of typography in graphic design. As you can see, typography is much more than just choosing a pretty font. It's a powerful tool that can be used to communicate messages, create hierarchy, build brand recognition, establish mood and tone, draw attention, and enhance user experience. So next time you're working on a design, don't forget about typography. It's one of the most important aspects of any successful design. If you want to learn more about typography, be sure to check out our other videos on the topic. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.